To fix an Amana dryer that's not drying, several potential issues should be considered. A clogged lint trap is a common problem, as it restricts airflow and hinders the drying process. To address this, locate the lint trap, gently remove it, and then clean it using water, detergent, and a brush. Regular cleaning, ideally after every drying cycle, is recommended to prevent future issues. If the lint trap is not the problem, a faulty heating element may be the cause. A broken heating element can prevent the dryer from producing heat, resulting in clothes that are not dry. To replace the heating element, start by unplugging the dryer from the power source. Then, remove the back panel and locate the heating element. Remove the wiring and test for continuity in the terminals using a multimeter. If there's no continuity, replace the heating element with a new one. Reconnect the wires and reinstall the back panel. Another potential issue is a clogged vent tube, which can trap warm, moist air and prevent clothes from drying. To clean the vent tube, disconnect the hose and use a brush or vacuum to remove any blockages from both ends. Reattach the hose once cleaning is complete. It's essential to clean the vent tube at least once a year to prevent future problems by following these steps. You should be able to identify and fix the issue with your Amana dryer.